Want to create an engaging and informative YouTube video? Here's the secret. If you think high-quality editing, stunning visuals, or a great voiceover are enough to make a successful YouTube video, think again. The real backbone of any viral video is well-researched content and a compelling script. Let me ask you this. Have you ever watched a video with amazing visuals but found yourself clicking away within seconds? That's because no matter how fancy the editing is, if the content doesn't grip the audience, they'll lose interest. Without proper research, any information you share could be incomplete or even misleading. And without an engaging script, your audience might drop off fast, something that can seriously damage your channel's growth. But here's the good news. In today's video, we'll break down every essential step to writing an engaging, high-retention script. From choosing the right topic to conducting in-depth research and structuring your script for maximum impact, we'll cover it all. So, if you want to create scripts like Dhruv Rathi or Magnets Media, scripts that keep people hooked from start to finish, make sure to watch till the end, because every second of this video contains insights that can take your content to the next level. Number 1. Trending topics, the shortcut to virality. Imagine this. You upload a video today, and within hours, it starts getting thousands of views. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, that's the power of trending topics. Trending topics are hot, viral, and heavily searched at the moment. If you pick the right one, your chances of going viral skyrocket. Here's where you can find trending topics before everyone else. Google Trends. This tool lets you see what's being searched the most right now. YouTube Search Suggestions. Ever noticed how YouTube auto-suggests topics when you type in a keyword? That's because these are the exact things people are searching for. Twitter/X trending section. Social media moves fast, and when a topic blows up on Twitter/X, you know it's time to jump on it. Pro tip: as soon as a topic starts trending, influencers and YouTubers rush to cover it. The sooner you act, the higher your chances of riding the viral wave. Example: right now, topics like Donald Trump and DeepSeek AI are dominating social media. The biggest YouTubers are making videos about them, and they're racking up millions of views. But here's the catch. Trending topics are short-lived. They can explode overnight and vanish just as fast. So what's the long-term strategy? Let's talk about Number 2. Evergreen topics, the secret to long-term success. While trending topics give you quick bursts of views, evergreen topics ensure your content keeps getting discovered for years to come. Evergreen topics are always in demand. No matter the year, people will always search for them. Here are some of the most powerful evergreen niches. Self-improvement. Topics like how to build confidence or how to improve productivity never go out of style. Why? Because everyone wants to be better. Finance. Whether it's how to save money or how to invest wisely, finance content not only attracts a large audience but also has one of the highest RPM/CPM rates on YouTube. That means more money for you. Education. No matter how advanced the world gets, education will always be a priority. Topics like how to learn coding or how to improve English have a steady demand. Tech tutorials. With the rise of digital content, tutorials like how to start a YouTube channel or how to edit videos are always relevant and in high demand. Entertainment. Let's be real. Who doesn't love entertainment? This category is universal, appealing to every age group. Huge YouTubers like KSI and Simon Minter have built entire empires around entertainment. Trending versus evergreen topics, the best strategy. So, should you chase trends or focus on evergreen content? The best creators, like MrBeast and Magnets Media, don't choose. They use a hybrid strategy. By balancing trending content for quick spikes in views and evergreen content for long-term growth, they make sure their numbers never dip. The secret formula: trending topics equals instant views, viral potential. Evergreen topics equals consistent, long-term success. Mix both. Hasser unstoppable growth. If you've made it this far, you're already ahead of most YouTubers who never take the time to master script writing, but we're just getting started. Chapter 2. Conduct proper research. Creating an informative and engaging YouTube video requires in-depth research. And research isn't just about Googling a topic. It's about collecting authentic information from multiple reliable sources and presenting it in the most engaging and easy-to-understand way. Best strategies for effective research first. Analyze top YouTube videos. Check out videos from top creators who have already covered your topic. Observe how they present information, what points they focus on, and how they engage their audience. Never copy-paste their content. Use it as a reference to improve your own unique style. Second, gather knowledge from multiple sources. Never rely on a single website or blog. Cross-check your information from different platforms like news articles for recent updates, blogs for detailed insights, videos for engaging explanations, infographics, pictures for visual understanding. Third, read research papers. If your topic is scientific, technical, or academic, reading research papers and case studies is the best way to get authentic and detailed information. Websites like Google Google Scholar, ResearchGate, and PubMed are great sources. Fourth, use AI tools smartly. AI tools, like ChatGPT, can be helpful for quick insights and brainstorming ideas. But don't depend entirely on AI. Always fact-check the information from credible sources before using it in your video. Fifth, check Quora and Reddit discussions. Platforms like Quora and Reddit are goldmines for understanding real people's questions, concerns, and perspectives on a topic. This helps you create relatable content that resonates with your audience. Strong research equals high-value content. By following these research strategies, you'll create more valuable and well-informed content, build trust and credibility with your audience, increase engagement and watch time on your videos. If you want to be a successful content creator, strong research is your biggest superpower. Chapter 3. Structuring your script into subtopics. Researching your content is crucial, but a great script is not just about gathering facts. It's about presenting them in a structured, engaging way. If your script is well organized into logical subtopics, it makes it easier for the audience to follow along and enhances their understanding and retention. Break your script into these key sections. First, introduction, powerful opening. The first 30 to 60 seconds of your video determine whether it will go viral or not. If viewers lose interest and drop off early, your video will never gain momentum. Start with a strong hook that grabs attention instantly. Raise a thought-provoking question or an interesting fact. Build curiosity so the audience feels compelled to keep watching. Second, main content, key points and subtopics. Identify the most important points related to your topic. Divide your script into at least 4 to 5 subtopics to maintain clarity. Make each subtopic a mini-story to keep the audience engaged. For example, if your video is about how to stay productive, your subtopics could be the science behind productivity, common mistakes. People make the 2-minute rule for efficiency, real-life success stories, tools and apps to stay focused. Third, use storytelling to make it engaging. Facts alone can feel dry and boring. To keep your audience engaged, incorporate storytelling elements. Use relatable examples that connect emotionally. Share personal experiences to make your content feel authentic. Ask rhetorical questions to make viewers